How to average $1,500 a day with live transfer texting. This is crazy. I'm getting phone calls from agents telling me they are paying $80, $90 and over $100 plus for live transfer. One lady agent told me she pays $50 for a live transfer, and in 30 days they sell the lead to agents who go out and replace her policy. Thus, she receives a charge back. To make it more insane, you have to pay upfront and for 10 to 15 live transfers leads. Plus, it may take weeks to fill that order. That's nuts. Hit the subscribe button for more marketing strategies. Build your own virtual mini call center for live transfer leads. With our new Phone Blaze system that does hundreds of text messages and ringless voicemail for just pennies per connection. Plus, it will do speed dialing. This is a great system for getting live transfer leads that you can work on a shoestring basis. You can build your mini call center working only 20 minutes per day. In addition, we can build your lead landing page for you that includes a final expense or term quote lead site. 10 video dripping system on autopilot. The cost for this service is only $37 per month. We will give you access where you can buy data for pennies and opt-in leads that are 86 to 265 days old for 35 cents. People who requested a quote on $100,000 to $1 million. You just copy and paste the leads into the system and all you do is click, click, click. It will do up to 20 texts at a time. Plus, it will do ringless voicemail and emails. You can also do power dialing using telemarketers from the Philippines for only $4 per hour. Live transfers are great when you have your own mini call center generating leads for under $10. If you like this video and want more videos like this, hit the subscription button below. Also, check out the description below for more strategies and websites below. Check it out at www.ultimatesplatform.com. Again, that's ultimatesplatform.com.